Hello, good morning, everyone. How has your day been? This is Eagles Concept and Consultancy, and today we'll be treating areas and perimeters. So let's dig in right now. Welcome back. All right, so we are having area and perimeter. Okay, let's look at a plane shape like a square, for instance. Let's go with a square today. Now, this is a square, is a plane shape, and we're going to be treating the area of the square and the perimeter. What is area? That's the first thing you need to ask yourself. What is area? Okay, the area of a shape is the total space of that shape, total space of that particular shape. All right, so if you have a square room, for instance, the area of that square room is the total space that that square room has. The total space where you can keep your couch, your bed, and every other of your belongings. That is what the area is talking about, okay? So as for perimeter, perimeter is the total distance around a shape. So when you start moving from a particular point in a room, in a square room, for instance, and you move around that room, what you've just done is just that you have gone around the perimeter of that room, okay? So the total distance around the shape. So let's look at this question. A square has side 58 centimeters. Find the area and perimeter. Okay, find the area and perimeter of that square with side 58 centimeters. So let's go. Solution. Let's start with the perimeter of the square. The square says 58 centimeters. First and foremost, what is the formula for the perimeter of a square? Remember that the perimeter is the total distance you cover when you go around that square. Okay, and a square has 4 equal sides. So all the sides of a square are lengths. So we have 4 lengths, length, 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 length. So the perimeter of a square is 4L. Okay, because you have to add up all the sides, and all the sides are equal, so we have 4 times L. Okay, so this square is 58 centimeters, so that means the perimeter of this square is 4 times 58. So let's do mental math here. Let's not, you don't need your calculator. So 4 times 58, we can do, remember that multiplication has a distributive attributes. Okay, so we can say 4 times 50 and then 4 times 8, we add them up. 4 times 50 is 200 plus 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, so we are having 200 plus 32 is 232 centimeters. That is the perimeter of this square, 232 centimeters. Okay, so let's look at the area quickly. Area of the square would be, what is the formula for the area of a square? All the sides of a square are equal, remember? So the area of a square is actually length times length. Length times length, which is L square, since all the sides are equal. If it were a rectangle, we'll be having length times breadth. Okay, but since all the sides of a square are equal, so the area is length times length. Excuse me. Okay, that's L square. Now, what is the length of the square? 58 centimeters times 58 centimeters. Another mental map. Now remember that multiplication has a distributive attribute, so we can just do 50 times 58 plus 8 times 58. 50 times 58 plus 8 times 58. Remember that this 5 is actually 50. The place value here is 510, so that's 50. So let's go. Let's first of all do 50 times 50 is 2,500. 5 times 5 is 25, then you add up the 2 zeros, 2,500. Then we have 50 times 8 is 400. What we just did is 50 times 58 just now. Okay, now what is left is 8 times 58. 8 times 50 is 400, and 8 times 8 is 64. Add them all up. 2005 plus 400 is 2009, plus 400 is 3003 plus 64, 3,364 centimeters squared. Your area must be in squared, because you're also multiplying the centimeter. Centimeter times centimeter is centimeter squared. Just take it like that. So this is the area of this square with 58 centimeters. This brings us to the end of the class. I just want you to know that we are here for you. Like this video, subscribe, and share. If you have a problem with mathematics, just DM us and we are here for you. Okay, even if you have a problem with a particular topic, just send us a DM and we'll fix it. Okay, thank you so much. I love you, but God loves you most. See you in the next video.